In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could stop your Netflix subscription from automatically renewing quick and easy. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you may notice that I'm not actually in the Netflix app, and that's because you can't do it through the app itself. What you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser on your phone or computer. In my case, I'm going to use Safari, but essentially go ahead and go to netflix.com and hit enter. From here, just tap on that top again and just add a little dash right next to it and put more in there, and it's going to take you to a new page that looks like this, where you're going to want to select manage account and then sign in with your information. From here, hit view all settings and scroll down a little bit, and what you're going to want to do is select this manage membership option right here. Scroll down in this tab and just simply go ahead and hit cancel membership and just confirm by selecting finish cancellation. After that, your Netflix auto payment is now going to be stopped and you're not going to be charged for the next month. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.